Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove guided access to the control center on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on control center. Next, you want to go down to the more controls section, and we're going to tap on guided access plus button. So tap on the green plus button, and that will get added to the included controls. Now if you swipe down, you can see guided access has been added to the controls center, and in here if you tap on that, it will open up the guided access shortcut, and you can tap on the switch to turn it on. So with guided access, it gives you the ability to lock your iPhone in a single app. So let's say if I open up a calendar app, and if I want to lock it, I can triple click on the side button here, 1, 2, 3, and then tap on the start button. Now I need to also put in the passcode, and then I need to put in the passcode again to confirm. Okay, once guided access has started, there is nothing else that I can do. I cannot swipe down to open up the control center. I cannot swipe up to go back to the home screen. Basically, my phone is now locked to that one single app, and all I can do is just using the app only. Now this is particularly useful. So if you are giving your phone to your kid, and if you want them just to use the YouTube app to watch YouTube videos, then you can just simply lock the YouTube app so that they will not be able to go outside of that app. And to close the guided access, you just need to triple click on it again, and then you need to put in your password, and that will allow you to end guided access. But the shortcut up here only allow you to open up or to go to guided access only. So here, just trying to see why it doesn't allow me to go to that. So if I tap on it, and if I turn it on, once I turn it on, so it looked like it was buggy before. Okay, so from the home screen, I cannot open guided access, but if I go to another app, I can access guided access, so I can switch it on. So here you can see if I try to tap on it, it doesn't actually allow me to open up. So I don't know if this is kind of a bug or has been designed that way. So if I try to swipe down and tap on it doesn't open up the settings page for some reason. So if I switch it off, and if I swipe it down, if I tap on that, it will open up. But once I turn on, it looks like it has a problem. Open it again. But anyway, that's how you can add it to your control center. And in here, you can turn it on or off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.